Allow your vagina to breathe. Let her breathe. Hello, royalties. Welcome back to my channel. If you are joining for the first time, as usual, please subscribe to my channel if you're just seeing my face. Isn't that worth subscribing to? Apart from the face, I have premium content for you. And if you've been subscribed to my channel, take it. You're the real OG, my bestie. Today we're going to be talking about feminine hygiene and tips to make your down there fresh and desirable. So sit here. You can invite your girlfriends, your friends that are feminine to watch this video because it's very, very important. Number one tip is wash from front to back. You don't wash from back. That's you don't wash from your anus to the vagina. You wash from the vagina to the back so that you don't transfer bacteria from your anus into your vagina, and also to avoid risk of having abnormal discharge. Okay, so number two is keep your vulva clean. You can wash your vulva with an unscented soap or something that does not have a scent, and make sure that what you want to put in your vulva is approved by a gynecologist. Don't just use anything down there because you'll be causing more harm than good to yourself. Do not use anything that is scented or deodorant or perfumes down there. And when I mean wash your vulva with unscented soap that you know that will not give you irritations, okay? Because you see places where the hair grow around the vulva, it can store sweat and it can store oily stuff from the skin, which is not good and can make it to swell. So you need to wash it very, very well. And do not wash your vagina. The vagina washes itself. And if you are confused, there's a difference between the vulva and the vagina. The vulva is the external and the outer part of your feminine genital organ. Okay? Meanwhile, your vagina is the whole inside of the vulva that connects your body to your uterus or your womb, as you know it. Give it to me. You know I'm a biologist, so this topic, get ready to hear more of biological terms. And vagina is that hole that you use for sex, you use for childbirth, and also for menstruation. So that part of it, that hole, see the picture here, do not wash it. It washes itself. So the part where you have to wash is the part of the clitoris and the external part where there is hair. Those are the parts that you wash, and you can wash it with an unscented soap to keep it fresh. Because the reason why you do not wash your vagina or put hand inside to wash it is because you can alter the pH of your vagina, which will cause you more infection and can lead you to have smell down there. And after washing, pat it dry immediately so that you do not store moisture in your vulva, because storage of moisture in your vulva can encourage the growth of fungi like yeast infection, and you do not want that because they like places that are watery. It encourages their growth. It's like you are giving them manure and strength. Immediately you wash your vulva, make sure that you pat it dry with something clean, and make sure that you wear a clean underwear. If you buy something new from the market, you should not wear it immediately, because you see those things that we sell in the market, you understand, it's exposed to a lot of bacteria in the air. So whenever you buy your undies from the market, make sure that you wash it so that you do not transfer those bacteria that are from the air. You don't know how long it's stored in the store. You don't know if they kept it on the ground. You don't even know how they handled it. The fact that it's new does not mean that it's neat. So you need to wash it before you wear your undies so that you don't give yourself infection and make you to smell down there. Okay? Another tip to make your down there smell good and nice is to wash your groin. Your groin is here. that area of your body that connects your upper thigh to your lower abdomen, right? You need to wash there. A lot of us forget to wash that part, and because that part is always enclosed and you always close it every time, it smells. Most times, if you want to be sure what I'm saying, I've said this in some videos. If you want to watch, go back to one of my videos where I spoke about how to smell good 247. I've spoken about this before. You can put your hand or a tissue there and rub it across your groin to see. Do you understand? Let me show you. This is the picture of what I mean by the groin. You will see that it smells. With the time you give more attention to your groin, that area there that connects your upper thigh to your lower abdomen, you will see that your under there will smell better, because you see that it hinders a lot of sweat, and some sweat can grow bacteria that will cause you to have odor down there and you will not smell good. Do you understand? So it is good that you concentrate and wash it. Wash it with an unscented soap. Yeah, you can even scrub it. Yeah, because that place needs to be well clean and fresh. Then another part for you to concentrate to make that place smell and nice is your anus. You see that anus, some of us, we don't concentrate very well. We just wash. And I believe there are some ladies that don't even concentrate in when they are bathing. They just, as a woman, when you go to the bathroom to take your bath, you need to take your time. That's why you're a queen. I say that's why they normally say that women don't women spend more time in the bathroom. Reason because we have a lot of things, even men too, but today I'm talking about women. You need to concentrate and wash your anus very, very well. Wash it clean. Because you see that anus, there was one day I put my hand in my anus. It's mine. The smell that oozes from there, because it's always enclosed. You hardly open it except when you want to poo. Do you get? So that place, you need to wash it very, very well when you're taking your bath. Okay? And another thing is that you need to let this baby girl breathe. A lot of us will get pants from morning till night till the next day. You sleep with pants. Yeah, I can't remember the last time I slept with pants though. Yeah. And if you want to sleep without pants, make sure that you wear a very nice nightwear, so you don't put your bare vagina on your bed. Do you understand? And if you are used to sleeping naked, you do not allow any random person to sit on your bed, so they don't sit bare. Even if they want to sit on your bed, no other person should sit bare on with their vagina or naked on your bed. Then you will not come and sit on it. No, note it, it's not good. Okay? So allow your baby girl to breathe. Allow her breathe. She needs to breathe. You go out with her, you cover her, you wear trouser, you wear pants, sometimes you even wear pad. Then after wearing pants, some people go ahead to even wear pant liner. Then you know all of that. When will that baby girl breathe? Then she needs to breathe. She needs air. She needs air to breathe. So you should do well to let her breathe once in a while. Even if you are not okay, it's not every day, you can at least once in a while go without wearing pants, for the sake of your vagina and for you to smell good. That's why most times when you remove your pants, you remove your pant liner, it smells a lot because air has not entered inside. You need to allow that place to breathe. Like they say, let a pop breathe. Your food is very important for your vagina to smell clean and good. You understand? So watch the kind of food you eat. If you eat food like garlic or some too much spicy food, it can affect how you smell down there. And if you're always eating junks, it can affect how you smell down there. And if you eat too much sugar, it can affect how you smell down there. What we put in our body affects the way that our vagina smells. So if you want to eat food, make sure that you include fruits. Fruits like pineapple. But if you have ulcer, don't try to eat pineapple because it can worsen the situation of your ulcer. You can eat fruits like cranberry. You can drink tiger nuts. Then you can eat apple. They are good for you down there. It makes you smell nice. Another thing we should do always, do not leave your baby girl bushy. Don't leave her bushy. I know some of us, or you do it to please your men because they say they like it that way, but it's not healthy. You see, those hair in our armpits and under there can hinder sweat, and sweat that can grow bacteria that will cause you to have body odor. I've said this thing before in a previous video. So make sure that you trim it. If you are waxing, wax it. And then if you're using shaving pick, you can use it to shave it, or yeah, just keep it clean. Just trim it and keep it clean, so that at least you don't store bacteria that will cause you to have odor down there. Also, make sure to drink a lot of water. My doctor told me to drink a lot of water recently, and I've been doing it, though it's not easy, because you always go to the restroom, you're always struggling to go to the restroom. It's frustrating, but it's very, very good. It flushes everything down and keeps you fresh and smell good. Your vagina has to smell good as a woman. If you're a woman and you don't take care of your vagina and you open your leg and people cannot stay, maybe the reason why your husband or your wife or your boyfriends are not staying with you is because your down there does not smell well. And as a woman, you have to be very sensitive to how your vagina smells. A lot of people don't even know that their vagina is smelling. You have to be very sensitive. Sometimes, someone like me, I'm very sensitive to myself. You can put your head there and make sure that you know like how your vagina is smell, so that people don't gossip you that this girl is not smelling good. Another thing is that after doing the do, like after having sex, make sure to pee immediately. It helps flush out. It is believed that it helps to flush out bacteria out of the urethra that might cause you urinary tract infections, UTI. So instead of lying down there, even Dr. Prokaf said this on Instagram, you should just go and pee. It's very, very helpful. And also make sure to wash yourself very, very well after then. Okay, you have to wash yourself and keep yourself clean after doing the do. Don't just sleep. And so another thing as a woman you need to know is that as a woman you need to have at least 4 night wears. You don't go ahead to use what you wore to cook the whole day to sleep. It's gonna make you to smell and have a bad smell. So what you use to cook in the kitchen should be pulled and washed. Then you maybe can use another day, but make sure to have your nightwear. And every woman should have at least 3 hair nets or 3 hair bonnets, because you see this our hair bonnets and hair net, they store a lot of sweat and oil from our hair, so thereby making it to smell a lot. So you need to change it and always wash it. And another thing is that you should have a body mist as a woman, okay? Because every woman needs to have their own skin scent. You need to have your own skin scent, and those body mists are very, very helpful to wash. And always make sure to brush your mouth. And if you're in a situation or a place where you cannot brush your mouth, go with a mentholated sweet or bubble gum that you can chew always. Always use an antiperspirant or a deodorant for your armpit, and always wax or shave your armpits, or use a shaving cream. And another thing is that you always learn to wash your hair, keep your hair very neat and clean. Okay, so if you enjoy this video and you've reached this point of the video, say, Kate, I love you. I have a gift for you if you reach this point of my video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up or comment on my video. I'm begging you, if you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.